Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So you guys would have noticed that IITs have introduced a new branch in GATE examination, robotics and automation. You can write down GATE examination in robotics and automation as well. So what is the syllabus? How is the curriculum? So what they have done is that they have kept a 75% common portion and 25% engineering discipline. Like if someone wants to go for electrical, then he can go for electrical. If someone wants to go for mechanical, then he can go for mechanical. Scenario is 75% common. The one who is going for RA and automation, he will write down 75% of common. Now after that, he will have a choice for 25%. Either he can go for electrical or he can go for mechanical. Understandable? Now in 75%, what is the syllabus? Engineering mathematics, general aptitude. Then they have kept some subjects of electrical engineering they have put, some subjects of CSE engineering they have put, and some subjects of mechanical engineering they have put. From electrical engineering, they have put network and digital. Okay, network and digital they have put. From CSE, they have kept programming and DSA, and from mechanical also they have kept some subject which I don't have much idea. Okay, so this is your 75% of the portion. No matter from whichever the branch you are, if you are appearing for GATE RA, if you are appearing for GATE robotics and automation, then you will have to write down this much paper for sure. Then for the 25%, for the rest 25%, you can either choose electrical or you can choose mechanical. In the mechanical, I don't have much idea, but for the electrical, they have kept analog, control and signal system. This they have kept. So the bottom line is, whichever the 7 subjects which are common, when we prepare for EC, electrical or instrumentation, there are 7 subjects which are common. Network, analog, digital, control, signals, engineering mathematics and aptitude. These 7 subjects are common. Now they are common with GATE RA as well. RA means robotics and automation. So 7 subjects are common. Okay. So what I feel is that if someone is, let's just say if some guy is preparing for GATE electrical, if some guy is preparing for GATE EC, or if some guy is preparing for GATE instrumentation and he has studied all those 7 subjects, then what I feel is that he will be able to attempt 65 marks of question paper. At least 65 marks of question paper he will be able to attempt in GATE RA. But the problem is that EC and instrumentation guys are not even allowed. CSE guys are allowed, DA guys are allowed, mechanical guys are allowed, and electrical guys are allowed. But EC and instrumentation guys are not even allowed. Now I cannot understand why EC guys are not allowed, but people are saying that, sir, why CSE guys are allowed? Look, if you consider the modern day robotics, if you consider modern day robotics, then yes, CSE guys should be eligible because very high software programming is used there. In a high amount, software programming is used if you talk about robotics. So yes, CSE guys should be eligible. But if we talk about GATE aspirant, if some guy is preparing for GATE examination, if some guy is preparing for GATE CSE, then how many marks of question paper he will be able to attempt? Let's just say I am preparing mainly for GATE CSE, sir. Now secondary paper I am trying to keep as GATE RA. So how much marks of question paper you will be able to attempt? I would say less than 40 marks of question paper. Because programming DSA you will do. Engineering mathematics and general aptitude you will do. Let's just say both combined came for 35 marks. Now let's talk about engineering mathematics. In the engineering mathematics, what you guys study, being a CS student, you study linear algebra, you study calculus and you study probability. Calculus you study on a very crude level, not very much in depth, right? You don't study double integral, triple integral very much in depth. In your syllabus only single integral is mentioned. Double integral, sometimes they ask the question. You don't study that much in depth. You don't make 3D structures and all, then you study that. On a very crude level you study, right? But if you see the syllabus of GATE RA, they have mentioned calculus in a very good manner. They have even mentioned gradient divergence curl. That means they will ask some portion of, at least they will ask some portion of a vector differential calculus. They are not asking vector integral calculus, but vector differential calculus has been mentioned. And specifically they have mentioned double integral, triple integral. That means they can ask a vector integral calculus as well. That means calculus in a very good manner they are expecting from your side. Along with that, they have mentioned differential equation as well. If you read the syllabus of differential equation, then you will find out that they have mentioned Fourier series and Laplace transform as well. That means they are expecting transform theory as well. Along with that, they have mentioned numerical methods as well. So if you are someone who is preparing for GATE CSE, then 50% of engineering mathematics only you know for GATE RA. For GATE RA, you only know the 50% of engineering mathematics if you are someone who is preparing for GATE CSE. So in the mathematics portion also you are 50% only. Then coming to the core part, programming and DSA, apart from that nothing is there. You guys don't know network analysis, you guys don't know digital, Digital circuit is also there, no? So yeah, you guys know digital circuits as well. So programming, DSA and digital circuits, these three subjects you know. So here you are having a bit of advantage. I would say yes, bit of advantage is there. So yeah, you guys would be, realistically you guys can target 45 to 50 marks here, not more than that. If you are preparing for GATE CSE, if you are specifically preparing for GATE RA, then that's a separate thing. So if you consider about modern day robotics, then yes, software engineering should be involved. That means GATE CSE guys should be allowed to write down that question paper. But what I believe is that GATE CSE guys will keep GATE DA as the secondary paper, not GATE RA. They will not go for it. Why is that so? Because even in your engineering curriculum, you don't study network analysis, you don't study, let's just say if you have studied network analysis, then you will have to, for the 25% of question paper, you will have to choose, no, either mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. Most of the chances are there that you will go for electrical engineering. There you will have to study analog. Network also you will have to study network, analog, control system, signal system. How will you study these subjects? These subjects you don't know. After that, if you see the common portion, there you will have to study microprocessor, microcontrollers. Some subjects of mechanical engineering also you will have to study. So do you really think that when the world is moving towards AI and GATE CSE guys are having the option of writing GATE DA, will they go for RA? Very, very rare chance. Even a college going student will not go for it. Dropper student, they cannot take risk, right? College going student, he might think that yes, I will prepare for GATE RA, but he will see that his engineering curriculum is not inclined towards GATE RA at all. Then will he go for it? It is very rare, right? So this time they have kept CSE, but what I feel is that in 2 to 3 years they would realize that not a lot of CSE students are coming, then they will remove it, and then or what they would do, they would keep CSE, but they will surely allow EC and instrumentation student. But EC students or instrumentation students should have been allowed even this year as well. Because when you talk about robotics, the first subject that would be coming in my mind, that would be EC. Communication protocols or your core subjects of knowledge, everything is used. Like EC is 30% of robotics. If you talk, or I should say 30% of robotics is EC engineering. I should not say 30% of EC is robotics. I should say 30% of robotics is EC engineering. So EC should have been the first priority. I don't know why they did not keep. Okay. EC student can write down the paper in DA, electrical, instrumentation and physics. This is what I have seen, I guess. Yeah. These 4 branches are for sure. I guess one more branch might be there, which I don't know. But they are not allowed for RA. I don't know what is the reason behind that, what they have thought, but surely EC students should have been allowed. Talking to instrumentation, yes, there are some subjects of sensors, actuators, and microprocessor is also there, microcontrollers are also there. So instrumentation students should also have been allowed there, but they are not allowed. I don't know what could be the reason. So EC, for EC and instrumentation student, this is actually a problem this year. But what I feel is that within 2 years, you would see that, yes, they will be including EC and instrumentation guys as well. Now the question would be that, sir, should I prepare for GATE RA? Being a college going student, being a dropper. So this year, if your attempt is GATE 127, I would say not to prepare for it. Okay, let's see the question paper. As of now, I am saying that your EC, your common portion would be coming for 65 marks. Let's just say, sir, I am preparing for GATE electrical. Now you are saying that you will be able to attempt 65 marks of question paper if you have just prepared the electrical subjects. This is what I am assuming, not certainty, right? I don't know how they would set up the question paper. When GATE DA came in GATE 124. So people were saying, okay, engineering mathematics is 60% of the syllabus, 70% of the syllabus, engineering mathematics. So yes, if you are from EC electrical, you can attempt GATE DA. What really happened? The engineering mathematics they asked, that was in a complete different way, no? It was inclined towards DA. It was inclined towards the data science and artificial intelligence. It was not your engineering mathematics that you study, right? So people realized it, that the mathematics that they are asking and the mathematics that we study for our core engineering, that is different. And when the branch was introduced, I made a video. You can check my video there. There also I said the same thing, that let's wait for 1 or 2 years. Let's see the question paper. Then you can think of that I'm a EC student, I'm an electrical student. Should I go for it? Don't take risk this year. Let's see the question paper. If you want to treat it as your secondary paper, then surely you can keep it. Okay. Being an electrical student, if you feel that I will keep it as my secondary paper, then surely you can keep it. But don't make it your primary branch. This is what I'm saying. It should not be your primary branch. Primarily, you are preparing for electrical, then prepare for it. Even for GATE 128 as well, I would say the same thing. Let's wait for 2 years. Let's see how the question paper goes. Then we will keep it as our secondary branch, or we can think of preparing for it. But as of now, your main branch, gate electrical, gate mechanical, or gate CSE, gate EC, that should be your priority. EC and instrumentation guys are not even allowed. Okay. And let's see how the question paper is set up. Then I would be able to comment better that why they have allowed the CSE student, why they did not allow EC student. But even if you consider the common portion, even if you consider the question paper, even if you consider the syllabus, or you consider the modern day robotics as well, in all the scenarios, EC guys should have been allowed. Okay, same goes with instrumentation guys as well. But EC guys should have been like this. They should be the first priority. I don't know why I couldn't see EC there. They should have been the actually first priority there. That's the thing. And let's talk about a bit about instrumentation guys as well. So I have seen their syllabus. Okay, instrumentation guys are having I would say, if EC syllabus is X, then electrical syllabus is 1.2x. If EC syllabus is X, then electrical syllabus is 1.2x. Instrumentation syllabus is 1.5x. They have kept everything. They have kept the topic of analog IC design, short noise, flicker noise, these noise analysis they have kept, which we study in masters. Noise analysis in analog. In digital, they have added ADC, DAC, but you see INL, DNL, like they are asking the core of ADC, DAC. When we study for gate, we don't study that much in depth. But INL, DNL, all these things like noise analysis in ADC, DAC as well, they are asking, which are the core topics of analog circuits, core topics of analog design. When I got into the industry, then I studied those topics. Okay, so when you get into masters, you study those topics. So much of syllabus they have included in gate instrumentation. I don't know what is the reason, and I'm pretty sure they are not going to ask very much in-depth question from that. Like from flicker noise, short noise, from these topics, they are not going to ask very much in-depth, but they have kept microprocessor, microcontroller also you need to study, power electronics also you need to study, electrical machines also you need to study, communication system also you need to study. Okay, this much syllabus for gate instrumentation. I am thinking that I will make a separate video for you guys, that what should be your priority, what should be your target as a gate instrumentation student, how you can prepare, what you can think of preparing. I will make a separate video, okay, for you guys. So surely I need to discuss something for gate instrumentation. First, when I thought about gate array, then I saw the syllabus of gate array. First I saw the syllabus of gate instrumentation, then I saw the syllabus of gate array. Then what I thought is that I will make a video. I will ask a gate instrumentation student to prepare for gate array. Then I checked if instrumentation students are allowed or not. They are not even allowed. Okay, so I will make a separate video for you guys. Okay then. So for gate array, it is understandable what I wanted to say. Okay, so if you are someone who is preparing for gate 2027 or 2028, then I would say focus on your own branch. Don't keep gate array as your primarily. If you want to keep it as secondary, you can go for it, but don't prepare for it. You cannot prepare for it. Let's wait for 2 years. Let's see the how question paper goes. Just this year only the question paper would come. I would see it. I would analyze it. I would sit with some I would sit with some mechanical educators as well. I would sit with some CSE educators as well, and then I will be able to make a strategy video that being an electrical student, or hopefully next year EC guys are also allowed. So being an EC or electrical students, how you can prepare for gate array. That video I will be able to make after this year's question paper. Okay, not before that, because nothing is predictable that in which direction they will set up the question paper. It will be directed towards core electrical engineering. It will be directed towards mechanical engineering. It will be directed towards DSA programming, or they will keep a equilibrium. What question paper they will set up, that we will have to see, and then we will be able to comment something. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Happy learning.